Saree is an iconic traditional outfit, but the hassles that come with it, oh god. Earlier wearing a saree was a big no for me, but since Utsav fashion has introduced the concept of pre-stitched sarees, I have started wearing it for almost all occasions now. Now you must be wondering what a pre-stitched saree is. Let me show you. A pre-stitched saree is a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation designed for the contemporary women who desires the grace of a saree without the hassle of draping. It allows you to effortlessly step into any occasion with poise, charm, and confidence. This ready-to-wear wonder comes pre-pleated and is easy to carry with utmost comfort. So no more hassle with the pleats. What else do you need? Let's see how easily and fast you can drape it. Wrap the saree and tie it around your waist. You don't need to worry about fall and picot as it's already done. Petticoat? No, I'm not wearing one because it comes stitched in with it. You can simply wear it over jeans or anything you want. Now hook the pleats around your waist. Drag them to the center. Pleats are stitched on a belt with loops, avoiding too much fabric tucked in around the waist, which ensures a sleek silhouette and perfect shape. Also, the hooks eliminate the need for pins, which are used for keeping the pleats intact throughout the day. Take the remaining length, which is pallu, and drape it over your left shoulder. And it's done. I got no help or mirror for aligning the hem of the saree as it's already made to measure as per my height and waist. Hence, it's perfect. Now accessorize it with matching jewelry, shoes, bags according to the occasion, and you are ready to rock. Pre-stitched saree has made life easier for the busy experts and convenient for the beginners. If you have to attend multiple events in a day, then pre-stitched saree is a lifesaver for you because it gets draped in just a minute. Women who always wanted to wear saree but could not due to the hassle of draping a saree, now is the time to upgrade.